So she has arrived. I'll see her right away. Padre Salvi, I want you to know that I deeply regret on that unhappy incident. Young man, I have a heart that easily understands. Forget that incident. I have no rancor. Thank you so much, Padre Salvi. You have indeed a very understanding heart. You mean we will hold the festivities by the brook?
Yes, Ibarra. I'm sure everybody will be pleased if you approve of my proposal.
Ask me my life, I would gladly give you to you. Ask me anything and I would not say no. You're my whole life, my everything.
A Filipino woman has no tongue and so far as left unsaid. Pardon me then if I cannot express in words what my heart feels.
You are too secretive. However, I could tell your feelings by the twinkle of your eyes.
Then let me that to speak from my eyes whatever words my lips call to us. How far are my father's since Corral?
Not very far, Senorita. Shall we go there?
Yes, this is where you start to relax.
Don't move, everybody.
Why? What is it you want?
We demand that you surrender to us. The criminal, named Elias, the pilot. This man, Elias, is accused of assaulting a friend.
He is no longer here. He must have gone away.
You are the person of bad repute in your celebration, Senor Ibarra.
It is not my duty to report to you what I should do or should not to do. I welcome all my faith. You would have been welcome too if you have chosen to come. I am a prudent man, but not with a faith in such a brutal. Good day, old Tasio.
Why? It's Senor Ibarra. Come in, please. I am deeply honored to have you as my guest.
Before I leave, I want you to know that I do believe in you. I hope your advice will serve to guide me in my future undertaking.
I hope he refuses. How I wish he does.
It's just the beginning of my dream, for the youth of the land.
Just one more step, and you're dead.
Oops, Elias, what does it mean?
I will explain to you some other day.
Senorito, someone wishes to see you. He's waiting outside. Who is he?
He refused to give his name, but he said the two of you will know each other.
Then let him in. Elias, welcome my friend. I never thought it was you. You saved my life, were it not for you. When I tried to save you, it was to pay my debt. Shall I see you again, my friend? Yes, anytime you wish. And whenever I can do something for you, I still owe you something.